Since 2000, our planet has experienced countless earthquakes, some of them devastating. Today, we'll reveal the top 10 countries where earthquakes of magnitude 6 or higher have occurred most frequently. Let's explore why these countries experience so many quakes and the challenges they face. Top 10 countries with the most earthquakes since 2000. 10th place, Argentina. At number 10, Argentina experiences frequent earthquakes due to tectonic activity along the Andes Mountains. The 2015 earthquake M6.4 caused significant local impact. 9th place, Peru. Peru ranks 9th, situated at the collision point of the Nazca and South American plates. The 2007 earthquake M8.0 resulted in widespread destruction and tsunami warnings. 8th place, New Zealand. New Zealand is located on the boundary of the Australian and Pacific plates, making it highly earthquake-prone. The 2011 Christchurch earthquake M6.3 devastated the city and claimed many lives. 7th place, Turkey. Turkey, sitting on the Anatolian fault line, has suffered numerous major earthquakes. In 2023, the Turkey-Syria earthquake M7.8 caused widespread devastation. 6th place, the Philippines. The Philippines lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it one of the most earthquake-prone nations. The 2019 Mindanao earthquake M6.9 heavily damaged infrastructure and homes. 5th place, Mexico. Mexico ranks 5th due to the subduction of the Cocos Plate beneath the North American Plate. In 2017, two massive earthquakes M8.2 and M7.1 struck in quick succession, causing widespread destruction. 4th place, China. China ranks 4th, with many inland earthquakes caused by tectonic activity. The 2008 Sichuan earthquake M7.9 was one of the most devastating in history, claiming nearly 80,000 lives. 3rd place, Chile. Chile experiences frequent quakes due to the Nazca Plate subducting beneath the South American Plate. The 2010 earthquake M8.8 generated a massive tsunami, causing widespread destruction. 2nd place, Japan. Japan is a seismic hotspot, located at the intersection of 4 tectonic plates. The 2011 Great East Japan earthquake M9.0 caused catastrophic damage, a devastating tsunami, and the Fukushima nuclear disaster. 1st place, Indonesia. And taking the top spot is Indonesia. Located along the Pacific Ring of Fire, Indonesia experiences frequent seismic activity. The 2004 Sumatra earthquake M9.1 triggered a massive tsunami, claiming over 230,000 lives. Deep Dive segment. These countries share a common factor: their location along tectonic plate boundaries or the Pacific Ring of Fire. Earthquake-prone regions face unique challenges but also lead the way in preparedness and resilience. Japan's advanced earthquake technology. Japan has developed cutting-edge technologies, such as earthquake-resistant structures and tsunami warning systems, to save lives. The strength of communities. Community cooperation plays a vital role in post-disaster recovery, showcasing humanity's resilience in the face of adversity. Ending. What did you think? Earthquakes are an unavoidable natural phenomenon, but preparedness can significantly reduce their impact. What measures are taken in your country to prepare for earthquakes? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more global rankings and important insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.